And this is new at 6. An Ada County judge ordered anti-government activist Ammon Bundy and his associate Diego Rodriguez to stop making defamatory statements about St. Luke's and its staff. Investigative reporter Morgan Romero is here now to break down that 40-page document filed in Ada County District Court today. Morgan, walk us through what you found out.
Well, Sharon, Ada County judge granted St. Luke's ask for a permanent injunction against Bundy, his People's Rights Network, as well as his associate Diego Rodriguez and Rodriguez's Freedom Man Press. Judge Nancy Baskin also ordered them to take down all defamatory videos and posts that they've made over the past year and a half, repeatedly spreading disinformation and intimidating St. Luke's staff. Baskin wrote, quote, "The actions and conduct of the defendants have made our community less safe." She said it's led to doctors and nurses leaving their jobs. This new order comes in the same St. Luke's civil lawsuit against Bundy, Rodriguez, and PRN, People's Rights Network. The suit stems from their days-long protest outside the hospital over the medical care and child protective services case involving Rodriguez's grandson back in March of 2022 and the defamation and harassment following those protests. That protest forced St. Luke's entire downtown hospital and Meridian emergency room to go into lockdown. Baskin's order comes a month after a jury ordered the men pay the doctors and hospital $52 million in damages. Judge Baskin said today she decided to order permanent injunctive relief after hearing and seeing all the evidence presented in the trial over damages. Just as the jury did in that trial, Baskin found the defendants encouraged their followers to use violence, threaten, intimidate, and harass St. Luke's staff. She says they want to damage the reputations of St. Luke's and its staff, invade their privacy, shut down the hospital, and threaten harm to everyone involved in the case with Rodriguez's grandson. Baskin adds Bundy and Rodriguez used this case to garner more donations for their organizations and Bundy's failed run for Idaho's governor and gain more publicity. If they don't follow her order to stop repeating defamatory and hurtful statements, they could be slapped with yet another contempt charge, sanctions, and more legal consequences. Meantime, Bundy faces another lawsuit from St. Luke's in Gem County. We've reported on this one as well. That was filed earlier this month and accuses Bundy of fraudulently transferring money and property to other people to avoid paying those damages he owed. An attorney for St. Luke's says, quote, they'll take all proper legal steps to enforce compliance with the new injunctive order. But Shira, as we've seen, Bundy hasn't really followed a lot of court orders in this civil lawsuit.
Yeah, there's been so many back and forth in this case, so I know you've been staying on top of this and you'll continue to do so as well.
Absolutely.
All right, Morgan Romero, thank you.
You bet.